year 2022, Indian traders lost 5.4 billion in options trading, but an average trader lost 1,20,000.
$35 account management. Come on, check my live trade. Come back. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Bro, $20 billion. Just think about this number for a second. While everyone on Twitter losing their money on Solana meme coins, an entire country was gambling away $20 billion. And I'm not pulling this number out of thin air. The official financial regulator in India, SEBI, just dropped a report proving retail traders wiped out over $21 billion in 3 years. Just to put that in perspective, Mark Zuckerberg bought WhatsApp for $19 billion. With that kind of money, you could literally buy 40,000 Lamborghinis. You could give a supercar to every single person in your hometown. But nope, it's all gone by people trading from their phones. So how does a country where the average guy barely makes $200 a month lose that much money? Well, it's not a bad luck. It's a massive trap. And today I'm gonna tell you the crazy story of how the dream of becoming a millionaire turned 1.4 billion people into the world's biggest exit liquidity. To understand why this is happening, you have to put yourself in their shoes. Imagine being born in India. The competition is literally insane. You are competing against over 1 billion people for everything. Let's say you're super smart. You study all day and night, you get good grades, and your reward may be a boring office job paying like $200 a month. That's it. You can't even buy a decent laptop with that, let alone a house. But a few years ago, something changed. Internet in India became stupid cheap, like $1 or $2 for the whole month of 4G. Suddenly, every kid in every village has a phone and internet. And what happens when they open YouTube and Instagram? They get hit with thousands of videos from the fake trading gurus. These guys promise that if you just follow their signals, you can turn your $10 into 1,000 in one day. For us, trading is a way to grow our money. But for these kids, it's their only ticket out of the hood. Now, you might be asking, how do you lose billions if you only have few dollars to start with? It's simple. You don't buy normal stocks or Bitcoin, you play the most dangerous game in the market. In India, they love trading something called zero-day options. It's basically like trading a super risky meme coin that's about to rug pull. These are contracts that expire on the exact same day. If the market doesn't move your way in a few hours, your money literally goes to zero. Poof, and gone. To a poor kid, $5 is just a couple of meals. But if he wins, he makes his dad's monthly salary in 1 hour. So he buys a ticket, then buys another one and another one and another one, until he loses everything. But it gets worse. When they run out of their own cash, they find out about prop firms. Prop firms are companies that promise to give you up to $50,000 to trade with, but you have to pass their test first. And to take the test, you have to pay a fee of like $50. To a guy in New York, $50 is a pizza and coffee. To a kid in the slums of Mumbai, $50 is a month of savings. He will literally starve himself just to buy the test. That's why if you go to the comment section of any prop firm on Instagram, it's 90% Indian kids begging for a promo code. Now this is a part of the story that actually blew my mind, because when you run out of your own money and you can get a loan from bank, what do? In India, gold is a big deal. It's not just a flex, it's a family wealth. It's what parents save for their daughter's wedding, and it's sacred. But these guys are so addicted to the charts, so desperate to win their money back, that they started taking their family gold to pawn shops to get cash. And of course, use that cash to trade. And I'm not making this up. According to the Reserve Bank of India, over the last 3 years, loans against gold jumped by 75%, and the number of retail traders exploded at the exact same time. They are literally gambling their family's future on 1-minute candle chart. The Indian government actually saw this happening and freaked out. They tried to stop it. They even slapped a crazy 30% tax on crypto profits. But did that stop anyone? No. They moved underground, they went to crypto, they started using offshore exchanges, Telegram groups, and P2P networks when the government can see them. Because when you're addicted to the gamble, you always find a new casino. So why am I telling you all this? Because it's easy to look at this and say, wow, those guys are crazy, they're losing their money. But let's be real. How many people in crypto doing exactly the same thing? Borrowing money, getting debt, and skipping their meals because they're hoping to cash the next 100x token. The system is designed to sell you a dream. But the reality is, if you're trading out of desperation, you're not an investor. You just exit liquidity for someone else. Don't let trading ruin your life. Be smart, protect your money, and if you like this story, hit like and subscribe to my channel because I post a lot of interesting content. And most importantly, check out my other video about the fake Amsting girlfriend scam. This video is really crazy. I posted this on Reddit and it got like top 1 post in cryptocurrency subreddit. So make sure to check out this and see you next time.